I was looking through some interviews with you, and this question made me laugh. It said, what is the scariest thing in the world? The scariest thing in the world for you? And your answer was, does anyone know? Microwave. Yes. A microwave. A microwave. I always worry that it will explode. What are you talking about?
When I was young,
Yeah.
I used to be afraid, but
You're kidding.
still afraid.
Why? Why? Why are you afraid?
I don't know.
I guess it's a little frightening because I don't really understand it.
I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah. No, nothing's gonna happen. No, nothing's gonna happen.